Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Masicka is gearing up to kick off his 2020 tour of the Middle East. The hardcore DJ is scheduled to make his debut performance in Israel tomorrow at the Barbie Club. Masicka joins Spice and a Busy Signal as hardcore dancehall acts to be booked for the shows. The tour will also see him making stops in Switzerland, Germany, Berlin, Stockholm, among other states. The tour will end on February 7. Masicka also recently dropped his first single for 2020 dubbed Rich. The track, produced by Rado from Amsel's record label, is currently the number 30 trending video on streaming platform YouTube. Masicka is known for the hits Top Striker, Everything More, Image, and his newly released collaborative effort Leader with features Dexter Daps.
Blessing up a flow like a river. Turn them back and we turn them in a believer.
Now, sprint legend Usain Bolt is adding entertainer to his resume. Bolt has teamed up with Trinidadian group Ultimate Rejects for the remake of the soca track titled Energy to Burn. Bolt shared this compilation video of himself and the Rejects in studio working on the track.
Jamaica to Trinidad, are you ready?
He captioned the video, "From Jamaica to Trinidad. Are you ready?" Usain Bolt has been heavily involved in the music production, as last year he released his debut rhythm dubbed Olympe Rose. The project features Christopher Martin, Dexter Daps, Ding Dong, Munga Honorable, Ricardo Bibi Gardner, and Bolt on the intro. It was in support of his champagne of the same name.
So we do it, so we do it. So we do it, so we do it. 7 days of the week. So we do it, so we do it. And you know the deal, big, big. We not do it this great. We overdo it.
He soon followed up with another project titled Immortal Rhythm, which saw the likes of Vybz Kartel dropping one of his hottest tracks for 2019 titled Adi Adi King. The Immortal Rhythm also features Masicka, Munga, and Zuzu. Bolt is also gearing up to release his third rhythm dubbed Overshadow. Former U.S. First Lady Michelle Obama has listed Coffee's hit single Toast as one of her go-to workout tracks. The list comes after her husband Barack Obama selected the song as one of his favorites for 2019. Mrs. Obama on Sunday released her 2020 workout playlist in an effort to inspire others to exercise. The 35-song playlist also includes Finesse by Bruno Mars and Cardi B, Destiny's Child's Lose My Breath, Press by Cardi B, and Afrobeat's Drogba Joanna. Mrs. Obama is a dedicated health advocate and teamed up with Beyonce back in 2015 to promote her Let's Move fitness campaign. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.